the teaching seminar on this auspicious evening. Ya Allah, we ask you for your safety for our religion and the welfare of our body. O Allah, Lord of the implementing authority, may the days that we've gone through, starting with your mercy, continue with your blessing, and ended with thy forgiveness. And also make the days that we've gone through with guidance and end with the victory of excellence. Ya Allah, Ya Muhaimin, Ya Aziz, Ya Jabbar, let our efforts as a means to enlighten and convince ourselves that the personal safety of either outer or inner is a prerequisite for achieving happiness and excellence in various fields. O Allah, grant us faith and strength in order to face the challenges of life during the transition period and in the phase of life in this new millennium. Ya Allah, Ya Farijul Ham, Ya Kashifal Gham. Ya Allah, show us guidance and adjust our paths and ways to achieve happiness and glory. Let us listen to people who like the good things. Let us avoid doing the bad and evil things. O Allah, bless our life in this meeting and gathering and prevent us from harm and unfortunate events. ربنا 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 آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وبارك وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين آمين تقبل الله منكم.
Amin, 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 ya Rabbal Alameen. Thank you, Zahid, for the dua. Firstly, let me introduce to you our honorable guest speaker, Dr. Nofazrina Muhammad Zamri. Dr. Nofazrina is a senior lecturer from UTM. She is also a computer science lecturer with a 5-year experiences. Received her first education in Bachelor of Science at UTM from 2007 till 2010, pursuing her studies in Master of Computer Science from 2012 till 2013, and lastly, received her PhD from UTM in Computer Science major. Let's go through Dr. Nufazrina's working experience. She was a part-time lecturer in MDIS and Olympia College Johor Bahru back in 2019 till 2022. Fully become a lecturer in April 2022 till February 2023 after being placed at UiTM Segamat. Now, she's a senior lecturer at University Technology Malaysia, UTM, starting from March 2023, and she's in charge of teaching and instructing computer science topics to undergraduate students pursuing a computer science degree. She has many experiences in her research work. I'll give a few examples of the research that she has done in the past, such as anomaly detection, information security, wireless sensor network, data mining, machine learning and deep learning, cybersecurity, and many more. If you are interested in any of her publication, I highly recommend you to search her name, Dr. Nofazrina Muhammad Zamri, in Google Scholar. Without further ado, I would like to invite Dr. Nofazrina Muhammad Zamri to share her knowledge with us. And with that, please, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Danish, our moderator today. Okay, welcome to our class and Assalamualaikum first to our lecturers. Okay, your lecturers, Madam Shafika, Madam Nita, and also Madam Durati for inviting me to do the collaborative teaching for CSC 301. Okay, so before that, I will like to share my screen first. Okay. Are you getting the screen now? Have you seen my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So our topic today, I have been given this connecting to database from bb.net interface. So I have been informed by your lecturer that you also have done this before in class, but today I will try to share again and revise again your experience on connecting the database we use today, which is Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft Access to bb.net interface. Okay, so actually I have given this to your lecturers. Okay, so you can actually go through the hands-on slide given, and I will proceed with the hands-on. Okay, in bb.net. So our agenda today is I'm design some application for managing the Shopee, my Shopee management system. Okay, so the event will start by creating the table. So I think you all have done this in your class, okay, creating the table, but we just to revise again, okay, in MS SS, okay, and then we design some form and we connect the form and the table, okay, your table from your Excel database, and we can try to do some more like fine tuning lah, like redesign or not redesign, make it more appealing, yeah, system. Okay, before we go through that, I think I would like to show you what happened in this session. Okay, so actually I have designed this some form here. Okay, so I have this login form. This one is adding, not this one. Okay, doing this add, save, delete, and update. I think this also have done in your class, but we try to revise again. And also we can add this search search query lah to your form. Okay. So before that, I will start this. What happened to this slide and this system? Okay, so I start this. Okay, sorry, my PC a bit late, a bit slow. Okay, so I will get this login. Actually, today I will proceed with the second form lah. Okay, so I have the database actually. Okay, I have created the database here. So I have the login and product. So login, I have admin and admin 123 as a password lah. Okay, so I will try that. Okay, admin. Okay, the username and then the admin 123. But if I didn't put 123 or others password, okay, so I will get this message invalid. Okay, but if I put a correct one, okay, admin 123, you will directly get this pop-up button, pop-up windows, and you will direct to the second form. Okay, my second form is this add, phase, and others lah, the management system, where I can add, okay, by adding this using this button, or you can direct use the binding navigator up here lah. Okay, so if I want to add, for example, okay, I add some new product, I just add click the add, or you can use this add button here. Okay, I prefer to use this button. Okay, and then by right, you can see my ID is unique, so you didn't change the ID. Okay, the database itself will actually give the ID, okay, for the product. And then I will, for example, I want to add minyak masak. Okay, so okay, pretend you are the one who manage the inventory of your store. Okay, you can add anything lah on your store. For example, minyak masak, one of the kitchen maybe. Okay, and then I put the price, maybe my identity. So this is the example. Okay, you can actually do another things lah. Okay, and then this one for maybe the item came to your store maybe first. Okay, and then I can save this by clicking this button, save button. Okay, hopefully, okay. So this one you can see you have save pop-up. Okay, pop-up windows saying that you are saving the data. And then you can see you have all the information here. Okay, but actually this auto-generated by your database because this is unique. Okay, if you can see in the database here, banyak pula I cakap ya. You can see on your text field. Okay, okay, this one is my one. Okay, you can see here text field. Tak besar. Okay, so you can see it have unique tick. Okay, here ini that is directly automated lah. Okay, auto generated. The others I don't tick unique, so you have to fill lah. Okay, so that's the information you have to know. And if I want to delete some here, okay, some product here, okay, I just go to the product. Okay, you can see what here inside the area, okay, the control here, and then you can delete. Okay, so it have a pop-up. So this is what you can set lah on your system. Okay, and then you can see nothing for your tapi, right? So if you get back to your database, if you go and refresh it, okay, you can okay. Tapi is it still here? Tak ada pula. Okay, maybe I do the system first. Okay, so if you want to update, like user, okay, for example, I want to update this ubat gigi. Okay, and then I want to put some date register, maybe second update. You can see the update row here. Okay, and you can navigate to the other form lah. For instance, previously I show you I have this search. Okay, search product. For example, I want to search again my minyak masak. Okay, and then you can search. It will show you the information in this control label lah. Okay, if you put something which is not in your database, for example, if you search, click the search button, you will not see the information lah. Okay, so if you go again to my first form here, this is what happened. Okay, so I already delete my previous Sapidonia, right? Okay, so I think that's for the to visualize what we have to do in our session today. But in the slide, I only put from this form to this form. Okay, so you can add your formula for login later if we have more time. Okay. Okay. Everyone is there ready with your Visual Studio? Okay, hopefully
Yes, madam.
someone give me thumbs. Okay, so I hope everyone ready lah. Okay, so you can open your Visual Studio. Okay, I open my new project. Okay, so I create a new project first. Okay, I hope this one you all already familiar lah. Okay, for example, I want to have a new. Okay, currently I already use this form. Okay, so it will pin here. Okay, I just put the okay, click the form. Okay, and name my shop lah. Okay, maybe my shop only. This term. Okay, for example, I choose this one and then create. Okay, from now you can follow the hands-on that given to you. Okay, so I will go through that also. Okay, so first I will sorry. Okay, this one I will follow the screen also. Okay, so first I will add my first form, which is my product management. Okay, sorry. Before that, I have to create my database, right? Okay. Sorry for that. Okay, so I create my database. Okay, first you open the access first. Okay, so I have okay, new. Okay, and then I'm creating my database by picking this blank database. Okay, and then you can have this. Okay, maybe you can name your file. Okay, my Shopee, my shop lah. Okay, this one I call my shop DB. Okay, so create, and then you will get this table one first. Okay, maybe the first table today I will go with product first lah, direct. And you can follow the product item that I give on the slide. Okay, we have 5 items starting. Okay, the ID is auto generated. Okay, you can see here. If you can go and check the table fee, you can see it's unique. And I will direct to go this second, okay, name, type, price, quantity, and also date lah. Okay, that register. You can name your date whatever you want. Okay. So I also have the data type for each item. Okay, starting with name, I put as a short. Okay, short text. This one I will name it name. Name it name. Okay. So then the second. Okay. What is it? What happened? Okay. Okay, maybe the second also short. Okay, this one I put as type. Okay, you can put short here. Later in the Visual Studio, we will do it as a combo box. Okay, so then the third one is price. You can go with currency. Okay, this one is price. And next we have quantity numbers. Okay, this one quantity. Okay. So the last one we have as a date and time. So I put here as date register. Okay. You can short form to date rec. For example, okay, register. Okay. So this is information that I have. Okay, like in your table there, you have many items, right? For example, I just put one item. For example, Milo in one. Milo currently in ban, right? And boycott. Okay, three in one. Blah blah. Okay. So the type we can have like food or drink, whatever you want. Okay, I will follow my previous type. Okay, I have drink as the for this Milo, and maybe I put this like 15 ringgit. Okay, and quantity for our shop, maybe we just have 50 pack lah. And you can actually get the register pin here. Okay, maybe okay, the Milo come in 1st January. Okay, and then you can save lah. Actually, you can save and you can name your table. Okay, for this one, I put as product. Okay, so everyone okay there with the database? Is it clear? Okay, you can check again all your column here. Okay, your type. Okay, you can go to table field here and you can see lah. Okay, if you want to change the data type, you can okay, you can choose here up here. Okay. So that's what we have in database only. Okay, currently I just put one item. Okay, later on we'll do the adding lah. Okay, in the system. Okay. Okay, now we can go to our Visual Studio. Okay, so first thing first, okay, you have to design your video, your formula. Okay, for example, here I want to change my background. Okay, everything will be on your properties tab lah. Okay, you can have your property. If you didn't see your properties, you can go to the view tab up here and you can check is it properties here at the window, I think. Okay, where is it? Down here. Okay, so down here, or you can just press F4. Okay, so now I want to change my background. Okay, to something it's more appealing lah. Okay, so I will try to have a new color. Okay, compared to my pink maybe. Okay, and then you can add label to your name. Okay, your shop name maybe. Okay, I get it here from your toolbox. Okay, so just go and take. I think this is you all done this a lot of time, right? Tagging everything, and I have my maybe I want to make it two. Okay, two label. Okay, and then I can set my properties. Okay, for first label, my label name. Okay, here. Okay, you can go to this text. Okay, my shop. Maybe my shop only. And then you can make it a bit bigger. Okay, by this one. Okay, maybe I want to have 24 and a bit okay. Okay, and then okay, my shop. And then I change the color maybe to something much better. Okay. Which color proper with blue to light. Okay, maybe. Okay, so you can also do this one lah. Okay, later I will do that. Sorry for that. Okay, then you can also put your picture box kan. You can get a picture box and drag it here. Okay, and then you can add lah. Okay, this one. Choose image. Okay, maybe I can import somewhere. Okay, this one maybe this one. Okay. So then okay. Okay, so this is just the ni lah. You can adjust your this one to stretch image okay and somewhere lah. Okay, so I just stop for reference. Okay, so we go to the third part is connecting your database. Okay, so what to do is you have to get the database from data source tab here. Okay, again, if you didn't see the data source tab, you can go to view. I think somewhere in others data source. Where is it? Okay. Kalau you boleh nampak, you can take that. Okay, so I hope you have this data source here. Okay, then you can directly get your data source by clicking this link or this icon. Okay, it's the same. Okay, I click this one. Okay, and then you get this Windows. Okay, Windows. This first window, you just direct get the database. Okay, again data set, the second Windows. The third one, you have to connect your data lah, the access, okay, by clicking this next new connection. Okay ke? Everyone okay there? You can get this apa ni? Pop-up. Okay, I will proceed lah. If you have any question, you can just ask me. Okay. So after you get this, click this new connection. You can get add connection pop-up window, and you have to browse your data. Your data lah. This access. Okay. It's here. My data previously did. Okay, my shop DB. Okay, you can actually take this to your project folder, or you can directly get it here lah. Okay, and then open. Okay. So I have to close first. Okay. Okay, let's see. Is it okay? Okay, it's now okay now. Okay, so you can also try to test by clicking this test connection down here. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, now you can have your database name with this ACCDB lah. The database access. Okay, yes, it's told you to get this into your program folder. Okay, so now you have this string, okay, connection string. And next, okay, you can choose a table. If you have more than one, you can tick more lah. Okay, for example, now I have only one, and then you can click finish. So now you can have all the this is my table, and in my table I have all the item, okay, in my product. Okay, by right, you have by default all the data is in label, right? Okay, later on I will show you how you can change the label here, okay, into the other control. Okay, before that you can go and click the product drop down button here. Okay, you can have this data set into data grid view or detail. If you have current by default is data grid view, which means you can drag this on your form. Okay, you can get this data grid view direct to your form. Okay, you can make it a bit bigger because I have a length item, right? Okay, so you can adjust if you want. Okay, for example, if you want to make the background of this data, data grid view to another color. You can also change here lah your properties. Okay, for example, I want to change it a bit more nice color, pink with light pink maybe. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, or white lah. It's a bit pink, right? Too much pink. Okay, white. So now I can get my data grid view. Okay, if you save. Okay, if you want to run, before that, you have to check. Okay, if I run currently, right? I will. Okay, get this message. What happened? Because actually you have to take some setting lah to get some setting. Okay, either you can go to your project here, or you can down in your start button here, have a drop down. Okay, you can set the this one, okay, in your compile, okay, in the target CPU here, change it to x64. Okay, so then you can save. Okay, now I can try to start it again. Hopefully it can run lah. Okay, so this is what I get. Okay, in my data grid view, currently I only have one item. Okay, so the other thing you can see from my form here. Okay, you can after you drag this data grid view to your form, you can automatically get this binding navigation also. Meaning that you can go to have add, delete and save button, and also the navigation button lah. Next, last, and so on. Okay, so I think you have done this. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to get directly, and okay, before maybe you can do by take the tool, okay, toolbox here, all the control, okay, to the what call your form, but you can also directly get your item there, okay, using the detail. Okay, so let's see, for example, if I want to get the value here, okay, all the item in the form, okay, I can change this into detail, and then you can drag. Okay, this is what I get. Okay, so currently I have all the control here. Okay, this is the data, but the others same, right? Label. So you can also change this one. Okay, first I will change the what call this one okay, control. Okay, control to okay, since we didn't, this is automatic, right? Auto generated ID. I will must go to label. Okay, you can also follow in my slide there. If you want to change this one, you can follow my ni lah. Okay, for example, the second one name, okay, it's okay, text box. The second one type, maybe I want to have a combo button. Okay, you can go and check combo button. But if you didn't see the combo button right on your list here, right, you can go and customize it. Okay, click the customize, and then you can check. Okay, for example, I want to add picture box. Okay, for example, okay, you can see in the pop-up we have picture box. Okay, so this is how you can get your control lah. The others compared to the normal the default. Okay, so now I change this to combo box. Okay, price I think is okay with text box, and quantity you can also get this one. Okay, this one is numbering up and down. Okay, previously I have like a up and down button, right? So this is numbering up and down. So date is date lah already date. Okay, date time picker. Okay, so then again you can take this one. Okay, change it to the detail. Okay, don't go with data grid because it will show the similar thing like in the form here. Okay, you just get it to detail and drag here. Okay, so this is what you can get after you drag it here. Okay, so this one actually you can adjust. Okay, for example, I want to make it a bit bigger font. Okay, so I can have something like this. Okay, bold lah. Okay. Okay, so okay lah. Okay. So let's change lah. Okay, maybe I want to adjust it. Okay, to some. Okay. Okay, so you can adjust yourself. Is it okay there? Okay, so then I also can, okay, for example here, I make it a bit smaller, shorter, smaller lah. Okay, so it's bigger. Okay, so you can also adjust this one. Okay, for example, if you want to make it all to have, okay, to this one, and then make it, okay, same lane with the control. Okay, ID. Okay, ID kena atas. Sorry for that. Okay, for example, this one price, this one type, this one quantity. Okay, so this is all you get lah, instead of you get here, right? Okay, so label here, you can change the properties. Okay, I usually like to get my label with this part. Okay, auto size is false. Okay, and then auto size false. Okay, okay, so now you can see, you can actually tak boleh lah. Okay, auto one, and make it the background, my background sudah. This one thing, okay, maybe I put it. Okay, so you can delete this one. Okay, so I think it's okay with my control. Okay, and then what next is you can run. Okay, but before you can run this, actually you can do some setup for your database. Okay, so actually sometime if you update the info, okay, in the item, you will not get on the database, right? So what you have to do is you can go to this solution explorer. Okay, you can see you have command and then you have your database and your data set, right? So what you can do is go to your database. Okay, your database DB here, okay, account and properties. Okay, here you can have this copy to output directory from copy always to copy if new. Okay, you will. So now I think you can save it. Okay, and then I can run again. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, my current. Oh, sorry. Okay, currently I didn't add button, right? So you can use this one, add new. So now you have, okay, tak sama pula the label. Okay, later on I will adjust lah. Okay, so you know this is the name. Okay, maybe susu, susu UHT ya. So macam tadi kan. And then type, okay, currently I don't have, okay, you can go and take like a drink lah. Okay, price, maybe 2 ringgit each, 2 ringgit. And then I go and take it 100, okay, and today is 50, okay. And then I save here, okay, you can have the data up here, okay. So that's the first thing to test. Okay, you can also see your database. Okay, from is it go to your database. Okay, I have my database. Okay, you can go to your, okay, this one my shop. Okay, bin, debug, and then you have your database here. Okay, okay, so now you have also your susu UHT that I just add in my form 3 formula, the system, for example. Okay, so next I want to do is I want to get my add, save and delete update button. Okay, so I think you can also Okay, follow the previous. If you done that, you can also take lah from your previous system tu kan. Okay, so now I just to add the button here lah. Okay, so again to revise how to do this, you add your button, drag it, okay, and then you can make it 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you want to make it all in the same you can select all and make it maybe I change it to blue, orange, tomatoes. Okay, maybe okay, and make it a bit bigger. And change also my font, sorry, to make it so a bit bigger. Okay, so now you can adjust again. Kena adjust lagi so a bit. Okay, for example, something like this lah. Okay, so then you can also change the label here. Okay, so we have save apa tadi? Save, delete, update, right? Satu lagi apa? I also forgot. Okay, add, save, delete, update. Okay, so we go one by one lah. Okay, if you want to change again the button properties, you can change lah. Okay, for example, the font become white lah, nampak cantik sikit. Okay, so then you can go and I'll make it a bit bigger. Okay, properties. Okay ke tu? Dah sampai ni taken part nanti. Okay, ada pertanyaan ke? Tak ada. Tak lah, kita go through je So one by one, okay, I will go and change the button name lah, text lah. Okay, add, okay, maybe all. Okay, and then usually we try to get the design name also by button BTN, right? BTN add. Okay, and we have the second button is save. Okay, so we change the save label and make it BTN lah. BTN prefix. Okay, BTN save. And the next is update. Okay, this one BTN update. Okay, and the last this one kena change juga the text. Okay, update. And this one delete. Okay, so maybe you can ni dah delete. Okay, so that's for my button. Okay, I think you all know how to okay, get the ni right. So by clicking this, you can have all your button. Okay, button BTN click. Okay, for this I will speed up to get the apa nama tu, the previous punya button ni lah. I think all of you done this right. Okay, so you can also refer in my ni lah slide, and also from your book. I think from your book you have similar. Okay, code. Okay, just paste. Okay, make sure your button name same lah. This one I have button add, button save, button delete, and also button update. Okay, the same name. And also you can see the data set is a bit different, okay, from previous. I will just copy what my current data set name lah. Okay, so what we have here, okay, all the same code from your book. Okay, we have for button add. Okay, you have your product binary source, which is you can also see down here one in your this one, right? So if your product button stock is not similar with mine, you can see in down here, okay, your product button binding source ni, okay, name. And also for save, okay, save product binding source and edit and table adapter manager. This one also, I think if you want to know what yours, you can see in the bottom lah. And then this one update all. okay, the method and my database. Okay, and then I have message box after my clicking. Okay, I have saved. Okay, similar to this one. Okay, this one using remove current because it's delete. And then we have update all because after we remove, we want to update our database lah. Okay, and this one for just for message lah. Maybe you want to change it to delete. Buang kan? Delete ke? Okay. Okay, it's up to you what you want to use for your message box. Okay. So this one is for update. Okay, update, we have update and edit. Okay, so that's what we can have on your book. Okay, you can have on your book. Okay, so save. Boleh ke ni? Okay, so let's see. Is it okay with my button? Okay, let's see. I start it again. Okay, so instead I'm doing the previous part, okay, using this binding navigation, okay, up here, I can add, okay, by using this add button. Okay, you can see now I have empty. Maybe I put plugin. Oh, before that, okay, before I forgot how you can get the item here. Okay, so type previously I have drink, food, fashion, and oral, right? So you can actually add all the item in the type here, combo box, by clicking this, okay, drop down button, edit item. Okay, for example, I have fashion, okay, food, big lah, food, okay. Okay, make sure it's next. Okay. Drink and oral. Okay. Maybe you can add more lah. Kitchen ke and so on lah. Okay. So I just add this four first. Okay. Okay. And then save. Okay. Save it. Okay. And run again. Start again. Okay. This is what I have. Okay. For example, I want to add my add button. Okay. Berus gigi. Okay. So then I can drop down here, oral. Okay, price maybe 19, 30, 70, for example. How many stock I want to restock for my maybe 30. Okay. And I go and receive this maybe 2 days before, 9, and then save. Okay, you can have this one. Okay, maybe you want to update some bros gigi. Okay, maybe I want to update my bros gigi. Okay, or this one, okay, susu. You can have like 1 to 5 ml for susu, and then I can update this one. Okay, you can see the susu UHT become the other susu UHT 1 to 5. Okay, and you can delete. For example, I want to delete 2 and 1 below. Okay, the first one you go to that row and delete. Okay, delete. So again, you can check your data. I don't know. Okay, I open it again. Okay, this product. Yeah, currently I have already 2. Sorry, this one auto generated. Okay, susu and brush gigi only. Okay, so that's for my first page. Is it okay? Okay, okay lah ya. I expect you all ni. Saya cakap BM pun boleh lah ya. Okay. Okay, so for example, I want to navigate my form, okay, to the next form. Okay, before that, I have to get my form, right? So first, you have to add your form by clicking this Solution Explorer. Okay, and then click this one or this one, I think, this one. Okay, your project again, okay, Solution Explorer, this one. Add and add. Currently, I have my form here lah. Okay, so this one maybe I just default form 2. Okay, okay, that now I get my form 2 lah. Okay, so what I want to do here is the same thing from the previous part. Okay. Okay, maybe I want to have the same design. Okay, you can actually get all by clicking Control A, Control C. and go to the next design. It take time. Okay, my design and the way. Dah ada lah. Okay, all the ni. This one I will not use this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, this one. Okay. Because currently I want to have a search. Okay. So this one maybe I delete this one. Okay. So what to have here? Okay, maybe I put this a bit here. Okay, up in the middle. Okay, you want to have your properties same color. Okay, for example, I want to have my background same color. Okay, maybe I put it my color background. This one. Okay, to pink. Taklah kembali So then you can have your pink. Okay. So now I want to have my search. Okay. What I have to do is I want to search by name, for example. Okay. I'll put this one. Copy lah Copy. Okay. This one up here. Okay. And then this one, I only have one button. So the other three I delete lah. Okay. So then I put button here. For example, I want to make it long. Okay, this one I have to delete because I use text box later. Okay, so now you can add your text box. Okay, whatever you search will appear in the text box. So the label. Okay, I think label is proper lah. Okay. Okay, label. Where's my label? One. Okay. So I put here down here. Okay, all the label. Okay. And then again, I will change the properties. Okay, so properties here. Okay, I prefer to have my properties. This one. Okay, to have it font auto size will be false. Okay, it's false already. And then I will tak boleh. Boleh ke dia tak boleh satu should be kan boleh. Okay. So I make it all auto size false. Okay, now you can change lah every one, make it a bit long. Okay. So now you can adjust your label. Okay. Panjang sikit lah. Okay. So besar sikit. Okay. So you can also change all here. The background become putih. So mana putih? Susah pula dia. Okay. Background putih lah. Nanti bagi dia nampak. Okay. So the text will be empty. The text. Okay. So this is what will be on your search lah. Whatever you search, it will okay. It will go and put it here. Okay. So now I'll change this button to search. Okay, for example, this one currently txt. Form pula. Okay, this one. Okay, make sure you get the correct one lah. Button search. Okay, SEERCH. Okay. And then this one search. SEERCH. Okay. So now you can have your search button and you want to check the product lah. Product name. Okay. Tak apalah. I think it's okay kan. Kalau kita just put it name. Okay. Now what you have to do is to get the button search. Put all the query connection and so on. Okay, so now I just connect this one. Click this one, and I will get it from my previous. Okay, because it's a bit kena cepat-cepat ni kan. So I have to make it copy je lah Okay, this one I put it here. Make sure you have the same this one. My reader. Okay, I have up here some more. We go. Okay, so TXT search, I think we don't have this name. Okay, meeting end, right? Okay, that's sorry. Okay, this one I have to rename it also to TXT search. This one TXT, that's for what? TXT SERCH. Okay, so then the others also this one. Okay, this one label TXT ID. This one, okay, make it ni lah TXT name. Okay, this one. Okay, rename your label ya. Type. This one price. Okay, TXT price. You can make it short form, but make sure you understand lah what the text your text box name. Okay, UTY for example. This one date only. Okay, TXT date. Okay, so now I think I have all the correct. Okay, date. Okay, TXT TXT search. Okay, so the other thing are done. Okay, so my Shopee is not Shopee. Okay, I think I have to do that correction also. Yes, currently I think is okay. Okay, before that, okay, if I want to direct to go to form 2, okay, you can go to project. Okay, your project and change your application to form 2, right? Okay, so we just test lah our form 2. And then let's see if I search this, is it okay? How many things I have in my database? Ingat lagi tak berapa barang saya ada dalam database? Ada yang perhatikan? Okay, berus gigi dengan susu UHT. 1 to 5 ml tu kena complete lah. For example, okay, so I want to search berus saja. Is it okay? Okay, no, not found. Okay, but if I put berus gigi, the same name here, berus gigi, okay, you can have. Oh, currently I have, okay, the register, okay, this one, my stop it, okay, I have to get the same, this one, date register without that, this one, so make sure you have this one lah, the same, okay. So before that, let's see lah what the query we have. Okay, so I have query select all from my database where name. Okay, I want to search by name, similar to the parameter lah. Okay, I have alias param. Okay, this one you have command. Okay, FMD parameters, which is param. Okay, in your text box search, and then you can add all the value from ID, names, which in your database previously into your text box. Okay, so that's what happened lah actually in my code. Okay, so how many minutes I have more? Okay, then I can start. Okay, search it again. Okay, for example, I want to have apa? Berus gigi. Mana gigi saya ni? Gigi. Okay, so search. So now I have all the value. So if I search, the thing is not the complete name, you will have nothing lah. Okay. So is it okay? Okay, I think we can fine tune again my form. For example, I want to make it connect from 1 to 2, right? So you can just add here, okay, some separator first. Okay, and then I want to put the text for form 2. Okay, so from form 1, I want to go to form 2. You can go to properties here. Letaklah the name form 2 and make it a bit bold. Okay. Okay, now I also want to navigate, okay, from 2 to form 1. Okay, here. Okay, maybe you can add some menu bar. Okay, search for, right, menu, okay, ministry, sorry, put it here. So now this one we go for form 1. Okay, so again you have to get the code. Ingat code to navigate. Anyone? Siapa dapat jawab navigate ni saya bagi RM5. Nanti your lecturer tu ni boleh letak kat chat tu. Ada tak, boleh tak kalau kita nak navigate from this one form 1 saya go to form 2 punya two straight name ni. Macam mana nak buat ni? Anyone ada idea?
Form 2.show.
Form 2.close. Okay, form 1 tu kan. So cuba type me dot height. I prefer height. Okay. So this one height dulu. Form 1. Okay. And form 2 dot saya dengar tadi. Show kan. It's more better to have show lah compared to show dialog. Okay. So siapa tadi tu bolehlah nak claim RM5 dekat madam. Nanti saya transfer. Okay. So this one you can also bring it to the first part here. The second part form 2 ni kan. This one. And put it here. So this one change lah to form 1. Okay. So now I have the navigation between my first and second. Okay. So you can save first. And change my application again. Okay. Direct from form 1 lah. For this application. Form 1 start the form. Okay. And then you can, okay, for example, I want to start. Here, this one. I directly go to my form 1 and you can navigate to my form 2 lah. Saya tak dapatkan. Okay, form 1 again. Form 2. Okay, so this is how you can navigate lah. Okay, so I think I have a time again to get my third form. Banyak pula. Ambitious sikit kan. Okay. So boleh ke saya go, saya copy je lah ya. Saya ada the code and also the ni. I just copy and make one new form. For example, I want to have form 3. Kita prepare dulu form ni Mana form dia? Add. Okay. Form. Okay. Form 3. Okay, previously I ada design kan untuk saya punya login tu. Okay, so saya copy je. Okay, saya letak sini lah. Okay, make it a bit bigger. Letak juga gambar-gambar tu gambar ni Shopee tadi gambar apa entah. Okay, choose. You can choose here. Okay, and then you can also add choose. I import somewhere. Okay, I think in my picture, I have this. Okay. Okay, this one nak letak besar sikit boleh. Okay, actually you can also make it like this. Login, sorry login tukar gambar you can import again. Login this one. Okay, dah ada dah login dia. Okay, so for example, I have this one. Again, okay, I have to recheck lah my properties for this one. Is it okay? Okay, txt username. This one txt password. Okay, selalunya kita ada LBL untuk label, txt untuk the prefix, okay, txt untuk text box, btn untuk ni, okay, btn untuk button lah, okay. So then this one btn login, okay. So now I also want to get my code juga, code dia sama je, okay, cuma nanti you adjust. So take this login and get my code. Sama je from your nota tu paste here, mana paste ni. Okay, now you have to change lah my Shopee. Currently I don't have that Shopee. I have to my shop lah. Database tu pun tukar. Okay, make sure it's similar to your database name. And then the others is the same, right? Okay, currently I don't have pass log table, right, for login. So I can add here, okay, for example, I want to add new table. Macam mana nak create table? Okay. So now I have this one short. Okay. Password. Okay. This one admin lah, letak dia admin. Tak TT ke? TT lah tadi admin kan. This one short also. Username. Okay. CT 1, 2, 3, 4. Contoh. Okay. And then you can save. Okay. Name this as login. Okay, so hopefully we have. Okay, so another thing you have to do is to refresh again lah because we don't have login right here. Kalau boleh je kot. Kita try dulu ya. So currently I have my third form. Okay, this one. As the first form. Kalau nak masuk kita pergi login dulu kan. So you go and check this as form 3. Okay, and don't forget after login here, okay, you can get okay, this one form dia pergi form 1 tadi me.height form 1 show. Okay, so now actually you have to add. Okay, how to do this? Actually edit. Okay, bukan edit, salah. You can have here. Okay, this one if you tak ada product. Okay. Sorry. Saya connectkan tadi dekat this one, right? Kena connect dekat this one lah. Document. Okay. Macam ni. Letakkan balik. Okay. Enable. And then add create table. Berapa minit lagi saya boleh ni? Okay. This one jadi short. Username. And this one kita short. Password. Boleh ke? Min. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boleh. Table login. Okay. Pula try, mana tahu kan. Kita control boleh. Save. Okay, dekat sini tak ada login. Kita go through this one. Copy ke data set. Data source we wizard. Okay. Tak ada lagi Ini. Previous. Tak boleh setting lah. Patutnya ada. Kita try to save. Okay, saya tutup dulu mana tahu dia boleh ni. Okay, so buka balik. Betul ke Shopee ni? Shop. Okay. So kat sini Shopee. Okay, kita revise. Tak adalah table saya. Sepatutnya ada kat sini. Kat mana? Wait tu. Okay, sepatutnya boleh. Okay. Kita just add dekat sini je. Okay, configure. And then I put my table here. Okay, inilah. Dan kalau tak boleh, kita boleh je try sebab dia dah connect to my database kan dekat sini. Kita try, kita tengok. Okay. So this one direct my Shopee. Okay. Try to have. Kalau tak boleh nanti saya try revive balik lah. Okay. Dapatlah. Saya dah apa tadi? CT kan? CT. Kita try CT. CT. CT apa? 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3. Tak boleh lah. Cuba try satu lagi. Apa nama tu? Admin. 1, 2, 3, 4 juga. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tak boleh. So, connection dia kena ada juga kat sini. Tapi sekarang ni saya tak jumpa. Sepatutnya by doing that, boleh je tambah kat sini. Tapi dia tak ada. Dia tak muncul pula. Sepatutnya dia ada kita punya table tadilah yang baru tadi. Apa nama? Login kan? So dia tak ada kat sini. So sadly dia tak berjaya letak kat situ. Sekejap saya check balik. Okay. Ni ada dah login. Ni saya buat tadi kan. The other way maybe kita go through this one lah. This one. Okay, kita ada yang dekat depan juga sebab kita dah copy dari saya punya dokumen tadi ke my shop dekat saya punya Berjaya. Kita try the last one, last copy lah kan. So we add again. Okay, create table. Okay, this one username. This one short. Okay, password. Okay. And then we have admin lah, admin. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Senang ingat And then save again. This one login. Sama lah dengan apa yang kita ada. Okay. So let's see again if we can do that. Okay. Okay, this one tambah. Ada, alhamdulillah. Okay, so kita cuba-cuba aja ya. Okay, now we can do the connection lah. Okay, so try. Apa saya punya data tu? Admin 1, 2, 3, 4 Okay, try. Okay. Admin 1, 2, 3. Contoh 1, 2, 3 salah kan? 1, 2, 3, 4 kan tadi? Again. Okay, success. So I directly pergi ke my shop. Okay, you can add. Contohnya saya nak add Maggi. Mana Maggi? Type food. Tak ada pula RM2. RM2. Ingat tak RM1 lah. Okay, I put this to save. Okay, if I want to update, I go to window only. For example, update. Okay, dia tak payah delete So if we go to form 2, kita pergi form 2, cari Milo. Ada tak Milo? Ada. Okay, kalau Milo 3 in 1. In 1? Oh, salah. 3 in 1 kan? Tak ada. Okay, so I can go to this form. Okay, I think that's all from my side. Before I finish kan. Any question ke? Nanti you can adjust lah whatever you want from your form ni kan. So hopefully you can have some ni lah. Update again. Dia bukan update kan. Dia dah ada knowledge tu. Cuma update and upgrade again lah. What we have for this session. Ada question ke? Madam, studentnya okey ke tu? Saya serahkan kepada ni balik lah. Kepada ni sebab pada tu je saya punya session. Tengok balik. Okay. Kita tadi this one, okay, kita go through balik lah So we have connecting to database from vb.net interface. Okay, and then we have done creating table, okay, form design, form table connection, and then fine tuning. Okay, one. Okay, we done this. Okay, recap again here. We have create the new database with the table. Okay, this one you can change the value here. Okay, you can create one form. Okay, this one with some label lah. So for your design, and then you connect. Okay, so you connect your database by using this data source tab, and you can add here, or you have the icon kan, add database. And then you follow the step, okay, until you get new connection. This pop-up new connection. You have browse. Okay, then you can browse in the pop-up here. After you click new connection, you get this pop-up lah. You browse and get the database previously where you save it. Okay, if you didn't save on your folder project, okay, on your vb.net, it will automatically get the pop-up lah to tell you to save it in your project. Okay, so then after that you can have this part testing and then check again, is it correct one? Okay, and until you get your database name. Next, and then this one lah, the copy. Okay, okay, and then it's save the string for you. Next, okay, then you can get your database table. Okay, for the first one I get only one, and then if you want to add, you can add, edit lah. Okay, and then finish, and now you can have your data source here. Okay, first thing, it will give you the data grid view kan. This one is data grid view. Okay, so you can get the data grid view, okay, into the form lah. But you can also have the other, which is the detail. Okay, this one detail, which you can drag direct to your form. Okay, all the control will automatically get to your form. Okay, you can also customize, okay, when you want to use some other control here. Okay, then you can also adjust your item. For instance, some might be proper to use combo box. Okay, you can add combo box. Some might be only for label, like your ID, which is auto, right? You get as a label and so on lah. Okay, and then you can drag the data grid view and also the detail. Okay, so this one I think is done. Okay, you can also adjust your, for example, combo board lah. For example, okay, we have edit item here. Okay, on your first, you have to get the combo board task here on this particular combo box punya drop down. Okay, then you can have a edit link and you can add whatever you want on the item there. Okay, then you can add buttons. Okay, put all the code for the button. This one you have on your textbook. Okay, then you can test your program, you run. Okay, before that you have a few things to set up, right? Still remember? Okay, few things to set up. For example, if you didn't change your any, okay, for example here, if you didn't change your target CPU, change it to, okay, by go to your project properties, compile, and then do this to x64, okay. And second thing, you also have to adjust your database properties. Okay, for example here, if previously you are by default get this copy always, change it to copy if new. Okay, so that's two things lah before you can run without any error message kan. Okay, and then you can add, okay, your drop down already done. Okay, and then you save and you can do the delete and update also. Okay, and you can check your database, where is it? Okay, on your program file. Okay, project file, and then go to the bin, debug, and you have your database. Okay, then you can check lah your database, is it the thing you done, okay, operation you done in your system is okay, delete, save, add, and so on. Okay, and I also add search function. Okay, you can have your search by name, by ID, and so on lah. I think it's proper to use name, right? ID kita tak ingat pula how this item, what ID and so on, right? So if you get that, you have to follow this one lah, the query and also the code. Okay, then you can search, for example, I have minyak masak here, right? I search minyak masak, you will show minyak masak value. Okay, 7 ID minyak masak, it's kitchen, okay, RM9.90, 30 quantity and so on lah. Okay, the same value. If I didn't have the product and I search it, it will show you nothing here and some pop-up. Okay, that's all for me, I think. And if anyone want to ask me, you can ask me, or you can email me lah. Tak boleh letak email pula my email is nofazrina.mz, okay, @utm.my lah. Okay, you can ask me anything. Or your lecturer also expert on doing this. Okay. So I think that's all for me. Danish, is it the moderator? I pass it to you again. I stop.
Please accept our deepest gratitude, Dr. Nur Fazrina Muhammad Zamri, for the valuable information. We will now start our Q&A session. Does anyone have any question or any unclear information to ask? Please do share with us.
Ada beberapa tu. Boleh ke bacakan?
Dr. Bola mungkin boleh
So,
refer to the chat box. We have few question there.
question from Alif Daniel.
Alif Daniel apa? Alif
Can,
Daniel.
can checkboxes be implemented in database?
Chatbot by right in your database, we don't have that part in your data type, right? But in your Visual Studio, you can have that lah. Because in the database, we just add the data and we don't have function. Is it? I didn't do that in the database, but right here, if you can check the data in the table field, I should say again lah kan. Kalau tengok, okay, in your data field, actually it doesn't have any, for example here, okay, if you check everything here, right, in this, you don't have that particular control for ni lah. But in your system, on your design, on Visual Studio, you can do that. Is it correct? The other...
Alif Daniel, do you mean how to connect the checkbox from the BB to the database? Is it? I mean, how to store the value from the form? Okay, we have checkbox in the form, and then how to save that one in the database. Right, that's the question. That's Dr. Fazrina.
Oh, okay. So you have your chatbot in your system, and then you take that whatever you get from your chatbot in your database, right? It's okay to save as long as you connect the right part lah. For example, your text box and also to your particular database item tu lah. It's okay to have that. But in database itself, we don't have the data type yang the control tu lah. Tapi boleh je, if you have your combo box, whatever you have, will be recorded lah on your database. Kalau soalan begitu boleh je. Betul ke? Cikgu boleh je save whatever you have. Even you want to get tick box check kan, boleh je. Tapi as long as you ni lah tahu checkbox punya number, tapi number dia lain saya tak implement pula tadi checkbox nanti saya try later on I'll ni lah. Checkbox boleh je kalau as long as you tarik dari tempat yang you nak save tu, dia sama je. Contohnya you have checkbox 1, checkbox 3, checkbox 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Checkbox 1 save to column yang you nak. Contohnya checkbox 1 lelaki, checkbox 2 perempuan. So this one gender. So you save lah to gender. So I think it's okay. as long as you have the correct connection to your database item tu. Boleh ke? Betul ke macam tu jawab soalan dia? Okay. So kena perhatikan you punya coding tu lah. So you punya text chatbot chk dot lelaki. Okay, and then you connect to your database mana, column mana. Chatbot perempuan, still lah dua tu gender kan. So it will go to gender. So it's possible to do that. Okay. Okay, thank you Alif. Ada lagi ke soalan? Contoh
Any more
kita
question?
kita
If
tak
you have
buat
any
chat
question,
box
I think you
lagi,
can ask Dr. Fazrina sekarang lah. Ada apa
Kalau
yang tak
tak,
clear?
madam lah kena jawab. Madam kelas. Ada lagi satu kelas kan?
InsyaAllah. Tapi for this session, kalau you ada anything that unclear, then you can ask lah.
Contohnya macam tadi kan. Tak ada. Contoh je. Kat sini. Form 2 ya. Form 2. This one. Form 2. Form pula. Contoh kat sini kan. Yang ni make sure you text box. Even text box dia ada 3 kan. Tapi apa yang you nak tu kena save dekat tempat yang sama lah. Contohnya gender. Gender lah. My reader gender. Kalau tak tadi tak itulah. Kalau macam login kan. So username kena username. Macam tu lah. Kena tempat yang sama. Rasanya tak ada ni. Semua orang dah ke tengah hari ni kan. Betul ke?
Madam,
Uh-uh.
I have a question.
Okay.
So what happened to the records, like the data in Microsoft Access database kan? When you update them through Visual Basic Studio.
Visual Basic.
Like
Boleh je
update.
contoh. Okay. Contohnya dari database itself, right? Daripada database. Contoh saya add kat sini
Yes.
Itu saya bunyi tadi. Contohnya saya add Safir Balkis. Nak juga tu kan perempuan. Okay. Type maybe saya letak kat sini. Alamak, tak ada type kat situ coklat lah. Coklat. Okay.
Dr. Fazrina tak share screen.
Oh, tak share pula. Itulah. Okay, contoh saya ada database saya kat sini. Ada coklat. Okay, yang ni food lah. Food. And then kita tambahlah sendiri kat sini. RM2. Okay, kita nak stok 200. Bila hari ni contoh kita stok. Okay, kita save. Lepas tu kita tengok dekat kita punya my shop ni. Okay, so my shop saya kena run balik lah. Run balik. Okay, so add ni 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Success. You ada dapat coklat, food, whatever we 200 and price RM2. 200. Okay. Dia will ni lah sama juga. Whatever you add backdoor direct daripada database, okay, manually, you can also get it on the database view. So the same thing lah. If you add it, okay, using the system, and it will go through the ni because you have connection. Is it what you want to ask, right?
Yes, madam. Thank you for the information.
Okay. Sama je. Because you already connected. So any more? Tak ada pun.
If there are no more questions, I guess we proceed to our next agenda.
Ada pula.
And I would like... Huh?
It's okay. Okay, you can proceed.
And I would like to invite Madam Zuriati Ismail to conduct our photo session. And I hope that everyone will join in as well to open their camera. Please, Madam.
Okay, so semua on camera We'll have a photo session lah. Okay, kita tunggu kejap. Yang lain on camera sekejap je. Kita nak capture sekejap. Tak apa, yang belakang nak interrupt pun boleh, nak join sekali. Kawan-kawan kat belakang tu kan. Dalam bilik yang sama kan.
Satu, dua, tiga. Satu kali lagi.
One more time.
Okay, satu, dua, tiga. Okay, senyum. Okay, dah.
Okay.
Pas ke Danish untuk
Okay, so basically we already finish our session. So Dennis, you boleh continue. Close the session lah.
All right. Thank you, everyone, for joining the photo session together. And thank you, Dr. Nofazrina Muhammad Zamri. On behalf of everyone here, we would like to extend our gratitude to Doctor for sharing your knowledge with us and making this program a success. We apologize for any problems on our part. To all students, I would like to remind you all to please fill in the attendance using the link given by our madam. And it's been a pleasure being with you all today. May we meet again another time. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you also for having me. Thank you for inviting me, all the madam.
Thank you, Madam Dr. Fazrina.
And also Madam Yusnita. Thank you. See you again.